What's up guys, how you all doing? A few days ago I stumbled across this video.
Balloon. That's a very strong concussive explosion.
Cool, right? Yeah, I'm planning to do that too. The gas that they used is called hydrogen gas. It is the most lightest, abundant, and the most useful chemical for humankind. Gas or hydrogen element is found on the first periodic table. Yeah, it consists of one proton and one electron. These elements consist of 75% of the known universe, which includes stars, galaxies, dwarf, maybe black hole. Now, having said this, how do we produce this chemical, or this element, or this molecule, or this gas? Now, there's a common method that we use, which is called electrolysis of water. Electrolysis in chemistry, it is a process that includes electricity or using electricity to break down or produce elements or chemicals. It consists of two electrodes, one cathode and one anode. The cathode, if I am saying it correctly, is negative and the anode is positive. Or a chemical that we use to extract elements and use electricity to break down those electrolytes, the chemical which is found in electrolytes, then releasing or producing them. Now what we use our electrolyte is water, our cathode is metal, and an anode which we use is graphite, which we found it in a pencil and inside batteries, dry cell batteries inside our remotes. When we use electrolysis, hydrogen gas is released from the cathode side, the negative side, and anode side, oxygen is released. Let us see it in practice. As you can see here, you can see a bubble of gas on the left side. That is the cathode, or the negative terminal. Hydrogen is released, as you can see it right here. So many bubbles. On the right side, it's a piece of graphite I found. It doesn't produce that much of gas. It's due to the current. The current I'm using right now a charger cable. But you can see a little bubbles. Yeah, those are oxygen. Damn, hydrogen is produced. Yeah, but that was so little, It doesn't provide that much production. But since my title is synthesizing hydrogen, I'm gonna do in a bigger scale. This is puny. It's puny, very puny. So I'm planning to use much stronger power and hopefully produce enough hydrogen so you guys can see it. So right here I made a flask and I inserted 3 electrodes at the bottom. The two are connected in parallel, and the cathode is on the single, as you can see here. Now the aim is connecting it to a much more powerful source, like a laptop charger. Honestly, that's the only thing I have next to a battery, a car battery. So we're gonna use that and see what will happen. Okay, now I filled the flask with salty water. Then I turned on the electricity. As you can see here, it's a laptop charger. I pinned it, the negative and the positive of the plug of the laptop charger, and now as you can see it turning yellow and there are some bubbles. Yeah, there's a sound. Now what I did is collecting the gas which is released from the tube, then collecting it to the other side. This water is a mixture of soap and water, so the bubbles will stick like that. It's collecting. Then I'm gonna show you how this gas is really dangerous. This is hydrogen gas. Now let's see how it will happen. Whoa. Yeah, it was minor pop. Very minor. Yeah, not loud. Let's do it again. Whoa. Ah, damn. Again. Wow. Honestly, this is the biggest I can make. Damn. But you know what? I can make it better. I'll use a car battery and a laptop charger, using the two of them to produce it more quickly. The other thing about hydrogen is that it has less density than air, which is 14 times less denser than air. So what I do is I'm gonna inhale some hydrogen and let's see what happens. Okay, now let me inhale this hydrogen completely and let's see. Actually, didn't work. Yeah, I tried to change my voice, but nothing worked. Yeah. Damn. One thing about hydrogen is that it's explosive character and very dangerous when combined with oxygen. Kinda filling up, and you can see it, it's floating. Wow. To be honest, this is the first time I've achieved this. Yeah, it's starting to float. Now a bit more and the balloon will finally float and we're gonna see. Well guys, yeah, I think I made it. Well, it may not be much, but I made it. It's a floating balloon filled with hydrogen, oxygen, and some water vapors. So, yeah, that's cool. Haha, yeah, hydrogen. It's for the first time I made this. I'm very happy. I'm thinking it's gonna be a great day. Now I stick it to the ground, then I'm gonna explode it. You can do this by putting it on a flint or on a fire, then If you like this content, follow for more and don't forget to touch the subscription button because I really need it, guys. Thank you. Peace.